It's giving me like bad girl vibes. Ready? I do have, because I really want to know how many journals I do have. Hi everyone, welcome to yet another vlog. So today I would be doing few things. So I need to adjust my mini library. So I've got a few books here and some here. So I need to find this one. I know the hardback is here, but as I already have only paperbacks, so I really want to have just paperbacks. Then I have the series. I have the Anna Wong game series. Then I have this one, the Imagine Me, that been famous lately, and I read it like a few years ago. These are the two. So as I will get the other paperback, I will put them together. And I still need to start my ACOTAR, which I heard good reviews about. Then I still need to put like some of the books to donation, because I did buy them, but I did not like the story, and I'm a person that likes fast-paced books, and these are not that fast, so I need to give them back. So this one, I thought I was gonna like it, but the ending of this one was really surprising. So you can see the King series. I got 2 books here, then 2 more here, and I did not buy any new ones because honestly I think they are almost same. They have the same story, so I do not want to really keep the same thing again and again. And then you can see I mostly have thrillers because I love thrillers. Are my favorite. One would be James Patterson, and there is another one, John Grisham, and the books are really good, so I love those. So I'm just going to put these 4 of them over here because I already have the other Anna Wong here, so I'm just going to put them these 4 together. Really a good one is like basically tells you how you should deal your emotions and stuff. So I got like some quotes that are highlighted that tells you why you're feeling certain way and why you should not, and all that stuff. The next task for today is to put my graduation nails. So these were, oh my god, okay, so these were my graduation nails and I did wear them, so I need to put them back into my booklet, which is here. So I'm just gonna kind of, without I mess up stuff, I'm just gonna take it. I'm also planning to create a nail set for today because I'm really running low on my stock. I mean, I have not created any videos, and usually during the summer break I do create some videos so that when I'm away at my college and other stuff or at my university, I do not have to worry about, because I do not come home every day. I just come home like every 2 weeks, so that way would have been better for me, but I guess it will be, it is whatever it is, honestly. So I'm just gonna take my stuff from here. So it has to be small, so the part of my collection now. So just kind of like to just keep them in my booklet because that's also easy because I have books with these that I go out of storage and I don't have much storage here, so it's better to just take this. And it's easy also. I like washing them, sitting there in my booklet because it's easy. I just love them. So you can see these are like glittery effects. So yeah, that's another task done. Then the next task for today would be to record a nail set, and I need to record in this length because it's going to be a YouTube video, tutorial video. So I need to record something for like this. Oh, I'm lost like one wing, so I'm just gonna stick it here. And then I still need to like start swatching my whole Born Pretty and Madame Glam collection because I started my swatching booklet and I only got those 2 brands left. I got plenty of them, so that's gonna take me a lot longer than expected, so I don't know if I would start that today. And as you know, I'm also a software developer, so I also need to finish a feature for one of my clients, which I just got started like a few days ago, so I still need to finish that, and I don't know how long that's going to take me, but I'm almost done. I just got the front-end design left to do, and I need to think about how they would upload the information and how to make it like a universal template. So if you like a software developer, you would understand it. So I need to think about that. So today's day is going to be pretty long. So let's get through with it. So if you're seeing this notebook, you know what we're about to do. So we're about to plan today's nail art tutorial. Mainly are the Madame Glam shades and obviously the Shy J Blooming or Blossom gel, which is famous these days, and I really love it. It works really well. Then for the glitter or the yellow effect, I'm gonna use the Moms and Mimosas. Yeah, that kind of part. So Moms and Mimosas. Then I'm gonna use this red shade, which is Infinite Love. And then I have got this pink shade, which I'm gonna use as a base, the Bunny Bliss. And obviously the Perfect Black and the Perfect White. So I'm just gonna use those. And this one most probably would need a glass gel. And as these do not include any glass gel, I would most probably go for Born Pretty Milky Gel, or I can mix this one with the top coat, but I want to save myself time, so I might most probably use this one. So we are getting ready to go. I have put my nails up, the usual sizes, so I mostly use 0, 5, 3, 4, and 8. So I'm just gonna do my nail, and then I will see you in between and make you look how it's going so far. So stay tuned for that. So this is kind of the final look of them. So I just finished the thumbnail, the whole set. This is how it looks like, and this is where I usually put all my stuff, and it's kind of a mess at the moment. I got all the stuff around me, and then the last thing that I got left to do today is basically to finish my swatch book. So I started swatching my nails. So what I'm gonna do, I did my Shy J and everything, and I still installed my Madam Glam and Born Pretty. I might start with those, and then I will slowly complete them. And I basically got all that box and the one over it, so that one and also that one to finish. This one is fully Madam Glam and Born Pretty, and the upper one is basically a mix of them. So what I got left to do are only those two brands, and then I also need to kind of put away my whole order that I got from Temu, which are my Shy J gel brushes, and I want to put them together there so that my whole collection is available there. Then this section is mostly about the gels that I use mostly, and then these are some that I only use for my nails, which maybe sometimes, but not as usual as those ones. So yeah, those are the last gels that I have to do, and I kind of love this set, and I still need to take pictures of my nail sets. I've been telling them for so long. I got still so many left to do, and my Instagram has not been updated since like a month, I think. Yeah, it's been almost a month now, and I still haven't decided to update it. I don't know why. I just don't want to take pictures and don't do it, but I really should do. So I just need to record some TikToks for my nail set, because I'm gonna post these on up there too. And my TikToks don't usually have tutorials; they just have like transitions and stuff. So if you guys want to check that out, so please do. All the links will be in the description box. And this set most probably will be up before the vlog, because what I'm trying to do now is put the vlog every 2 weeks, and then do the set every 2 weeks. So after vlog you always see another tutorial. So this one will be up before, and it looks so good. So just a close-up. So I put these kind of dainty things in, and this was like my first time to try to do this rose effect, and obviously we improve with practice, hopefully. This giving me like bad girl vibes. You know, the Halloween theme. So obviously you can wear these in Halloween. I think these would be perfect. So yeah, this should be it for today's vlog, and I will keep you guys updated. I will show you guys my progress in the next one, and let's see how many I can get done today, and then we most probably gonna count how many I do have, because I really want to know how many gels I do have, and I think I got more than 100 for sure. 200. Just make your guess and let me know. See ya and enjoy. So just an update, I just started swatching them, and I'm gonna do this lot next. I've done this many, and they don't look honestly too much on the book. So if I show you here, they look like I only did just a few of them when there was so many. And I will just continue swatching them. So this is my stick. Let's continue swatching them, and let's see how far I can go today. This is currently day 2, so I only done this many. And if you see here, they look way too many, but they do look less here. So I'm gonna do my second lot next, and we would see how it goes. So I just finished swatching this many, and this was the first lot. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 7, 56 and 57. 9 times 6, 54, 56, yeah. So there were 56 of them. And then I also finished the nail set. I created a red one, and if I can show you, it's like similar to the tutorial that I did. Slightly the same layout and everything. And this is how it turned out. This is how it looks like. It got a little bit of cat eye, then the marble, and then some rhinestones. So yeah, this is for this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.